Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I typically like to do fashion DIYs, but in today's video, I have decided to show you how I style those DIYs that I make. So every outfit that I'll be styling today will have at least one item that I have reworked or made and have a video featuring how I did it. And I will be linking all of the information down below if you want to make your own variations of these projects. One of the really cool things that happened while I was looking for clothes to style for this video is I realized how many items in my closet I own that I've actually made for myself. And I don't know, that's pretty cool if you ask me. So I'm actually going to be splitting up this video into two parts, and the way I'm going to be splitting up these videos is basically with denim items and non-denim items. So in this video, I'm going to be featuring some items that I made that are not denim, and yeah, I'm basically just gonna show you how I would style and wear these pieces. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like what you are seeing, and let me know which outfit is your favorite down in the comments below, and let's get into the video.
For my first look, I am featuring this faux wrap skirt that is actually my most watched tutorial. Not going to lie, I don't get much wear out of it, probably because it's a little on the short side for me now, but that's easily adjustable for you if you make your own. This look gives me garden party vibes. Since the skirt speaks for itself, I paired it with a white t-shirt and a pair of thrifted white sandals that has a beaded flower detail. If it gets chilly, I added this chunky knit sweater that is from Aritzia, and for accessories, I added this set of gold pearl hoops from Missouri and some rings. Also, please ignore my nails, they have seen better days. Next, I am featuring this dress that I made from a men's dress shirt that I also don't wear enough. But for this video, I thought I would style it with a white long sleeve turtleneck underneath that I also made and have a video on. This way, I can also wear this dress into the fall when the temperature starts to drop. To keep it casual, I wore my Air Force Ones and added my backpack as my bag of choice. And for earrings, I stuck with dangly gold earrings for a little bit of a statement piece. This next piece I actually wear all the time because I love this backless detail that can be done to pretty much any knit shirt like this. I styled it with a pair of Levi's Painter Boy jeans and a pair of black ankle boots that I thrifted. For a bag option, I stuck with this leather shoulder bag that I thrifted recently and paired it with a simple gold pendant necklace and some thrifted earrings. So I made this top from a dress because I figured I'd get more wear out of it if I did, and to me, this is the ultimate date outfit. This top with a pair of cute jeans that I thrifted and a pair of red sandals, and I paired it with this black shoulder bag that I also thrifted. I decided to tie my hair up and use this scrunchie that I made from scrap from a previous project. And then I just paired the outfit with some gold jewelry. For this next outfit, I wanted to feature this top because it's probably my favorite top that I've made and super easy too, but I couldn't have two outfits with a red top, so luckily I've made this top in black as well. This outfit is giving me something I would wear to a music festival vibes. I paired it with this yellow button down that I altered, video linked below, and threw on a pair of jean shorts. This is a pair that I added elastic into the waist in a past video, matching it with the same black leather handbag, because a good bag goes with a lot of outfits, and a pair of matte and nat combat boots that I have also thrifted recently.
Well, that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's styling video, and let me know again which outfit was your favorites down below. And to see the part 2 of the denim variation of this, please be sure to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!